Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to look at how to calculate the price for bonds that pay semi-annual interest. Again, we assume that the market rate, 12%, is equal to the coupon rate 12% for this $100,000 bonds with a 3-year period. Okay, so the face value is 100,000. The annual interest rate, coupon rate is 12%. The annual market rate is also 12%. It's going to be 3-period. But because the bonds pay semi-annual interest, we have to divide the interest rate by 2. We have to divide the market interest rate by 2. And then we have to multiply the period by 2. So 3 years period is 6 months period. Okay, so we can calculate the interest payment will be based on the coupon rate, 6% times 100,000. So the company will pay $6,000 interest every 6 months. Now let's take a look at the cash flows. At the end of 6 months, the company will pay back 100,000, and every 6 months, starting 6 months from now, the company will pay $6,000. So that's the cash flows that the company will have to pay. Okay, so we can combine those two, the face value and the interest payment. And the price of the bonds is the present value of all future cash payments. So we can calculate the discount factor equals 1 divided by, because this is already discount factor, 1 divided by 1 plus, remember we are doing semi-annual, so 0.06 to the power of t. Don't use the 12%, use the 6% because this is every 6 months, semi-annual. And for this one, we use the market interest rate. Because market rate equals coupon rate in this example, it doesn't really matter. But when we calculate the price for bonds with discount and premium, we have to be careful. We discount these cash flows using the market interest rate. Okay, so we can calculate the discounted cash flows. We just multiply the cash flows with the discount factor, and we calculate the price as the sum of all discounted cash flows. You see, the price is $100,000. So whether it's annual or semi-annual, as long as the coupon rate and the market rate are the same, the bonds will be issued at the face value or at par. Now, because you're not going to use Excel, let's do it with the table. So we have again 2 types of cash flows. The 100,000 is the lump sum, and the $6,000 is the annuity. So for the principal, 100,000, and for the interest, 6,000. Okay. The time value factor for the principal, we use the present value table. We find 6% and 6 period. We multiply that. Okay. And then for the annuity, we also find 6% and 6 period. So this one here, 4.9173. Okay, so we multiply the cash flows, the time value factor, and we can add those two cash flows. You see the price of the bonds is also $100,000. That's how we calculate the price of a bonds when the annual interest rate, coupon, and the market effective interest rate are equal. So we can say that the selling price of the bonds equals to the face value, or the bonds are issued at par. Thank you for watching.